created a YouTube short that went viral with over 20,000 views in a short while. But then I regret creating that short. In this video, I'm going to tell you why. And I'm also going to be showing you some hidden secrets about YouTube shorts and long form videos that you need to know, especially if you are a starting and growing YouTuber in this period. I'll also be telling you which kind of videos you should create and why. And so if you want to grow on YouTube, make sure you watch this video till the end. And one more thing you need to do is to give this video a thumbs up. Here's what it does. It's to make YouTube to show you more videos like this on how to grow online, grow on YouTube, and earn more money in dollars from YouTube. So give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. You're going to tell the algorithm that you like this kind of content, and it'll keep showing you content like this that will help your YouTube journey. If you're ready, let's get straight into it. So I don't know how many of us remember the time when voice status was just introduced to WhatsApp, and you can now add a voice note to your WhatsApp status, right? So as a marketing expert, people started to ask me a lot of questions about that. And I started to do a video on how to record voice notes and post on your WhatsApp status. Now, the mistake I made was that I made this video short because I felt like it was not an important thing. Just people were going to watch it. And I made it a short, like 1 minute, because shorts are maximum of 1 minute. And I posted it on YouTube. And that video got thousands of views in a short, right? I mean, people were watching, viewing, and all of that. Guess what? Video has over 20,000 views right now. But if you check this video, you see that it has not even made me up to $1. $1. I'm talking about 0.005 something. Not even up to $1. Meanwhile, I have videos that are less than 5,000 views that have made me over $100. So now, why am I talking about this? On YouTube, we have two different kinds of content you can create. If you're a starter and you want to see monetization requirements, you see that you need to either get 3,000 watch hours for your long form videos or 3 million views on your YouTube shorts. So you have two options. You can either choose to focus on creating shorts or focus on creating long form videos. I would advise pick one. You can't be doing two at the same time so that you can at least hit that benchmark for monetization. Then you can now go back to what exactly you want to create, right? Good. So now here's the tricky part. Shorts are only 1 minute long. I'm going to take them one after the other, short and long form videos, so that you understand what I'm trying to say. Shorts are 1 minute, maximum of 1 minute, so they can be less, but they cannot be more than 1 minute. And they are posted to catch attention, entertain people, pass an information straight to the point. They are short and uploaded in portrait format, like your phone has to be portrait for you to get a good shot. Meanwhile, we have the long form videos on YouTube, and this one can be above 1 minute, it can be 1 hour, they can be 10 minutes, they can be 15 minutes, it can be 8 minutes. Do you understand? If you want to know the ideal duration for your long form videos, check out my previous video. I'm going to be linking it up here in the description. I talked about how to get more views and how to get more payments on your YouTube channel. And I also talked about the recommended length of videos that will help your YouTube channel go viral. Okay, that's the major difference between both, right? Your long form video, you can attach a thumbnail, you can attach a title, and all of that. So now, as a growing YouTuber, what is the difference between the two? When you focus on creating shorts, here's what you're going to get. You're going to get a lot of attention. Shorts have the capacity of going viral, especially when you use viral content, entertaining content, something that tells people a story or teaches people something they definitely want to learn, just like I did with that my video on how to create WhatsApp status, voice status, right? But the problem here is that if you're looking to make money from that short, you might be disappointed. Shorts have very low expectations and low value, especially when it comes to monetary payments. Why is this so? Because YouTube cannot put quality ads on your shorts. So the only way you can probably make money from your shorts is when people on YouTube Premium watch your shorts, which is a very small percentage of the people on YouTube. So if you want to make good money, you should focus on long form videos. Now here is how you can create the balance. One thing shorts can do for you is to give you virality. It can give you watch time, can give you watch hours, especially if you're trying to build up your channel and get subscribers. One of the things shorts can do for you is also to get people to subscribe to your channel. So here's what I recommend for somebody who is growing on YouTube. First things first, focus on shorts. That 3 million watch hours you're seeing on your dashboard might need to build until you just get one viral shot. One viral shot can give you that 3 million views instantly. Now, there's a video I did where I told you how you can grow on Facebook. That same tactics that I shared there works here as well. You just go online, go on places like Instagram, especially because that's just focus very high quality content. You go and look for quality content on the topic that your channel is about. I always encourage you so that you get people that are interested in that same topic. For example, my channel is on marketing and sales. I will not go and look for funny content on maybe gospel or romance or anything that does not relate to sales and marketing. Any content I'm looking for has to relate to sales and marketing. Get the videos from Instagram. Make sure you remove that you don't download it directly from Instagram so that you don't have the Instagram logo there because it gets you into trouble with YouTube. You can use a website called Snap Insta. You use Snap Insta to download the Snap Insta will download the video without the logo, without Instagram logo, without any watermark on the video. So when you download the video, you now upload them on your YouTube Shorts. If you do this every day, let's say you upload 5 to 10 videos, quality viral content on your YouTube Shorts, you're going to see lots and lots and lots and lots of views. You're going to see thousands and even hundreds of thousands and even millions of views on your YouTube Shorts. But remember, that is where it ends, the views. Don't expect to get any monetary thing from it. Just expect to get subscribers and views. Even the subscribers will be poor. My long form videos give me better subscribers and more quantity of subscribers than my shorts. So what I'm only getting for my shorts is views. And at this point where I'm already monetized, I don't necessarily need views. I need money. That brings me to the next stage. When you have used shorts to grow your channel and you have used it to get monetized, you can now start focusing on long form content because that is the one that will give you the money. So now you can now create your original long form content, 8 minutes and above, on your YouTube channel and post it just like I'm posting this particular video. So as a YouTuber who is looking to make money on YouTube, shorts are amazing. They will get your attention. They get people coming to check out your channel. For example, if you create a long form video, you can cut out bits of it and make sure. Somebody that does this very well is Chudi. Chudi is a journalist, is somebody that interviews a lot of interesting people in the society. He interviews a lot of well-renowned, high net worth individuals. And one thing he does is that he cuts out tiny clips of the interview, maybe interesting parts of the interview in portrait format, and he posts them as shorts. Now, when he does this, when you see that, oh, he interviewed P2B, and you will ask, oh my God, you just see a clip where P2B said something interesting, and next thing you're like, oh, I want to see the full interview. And of course, in the short, he drops a link to the full interview, and immediately you're going there to watch the full interview to hear the full thing that P2B said, or the person that he interviewed said. That is the trick with shorts. Use shorts to drive traffic to your main video. Don't put all your focus on your shorts if you want to make money. I don't know if I made things clear. I really, really wish that I did a longer video on barter status marketing or something like that. And at the time when the video was going viral, I put the link to that main video and then also said something in that short video that says, full video is here on YouTube. I maybe said it or written it on that video and said something like that. So maybe people finish watching that video, they go and watch the full video. That would have helped me drive all those 20K traffic. At least half of them would have gone to watch the full video. But I made the mistake. I regret it, and I'm sharing it here so that you do not make the same mistake. If you are creating shorts, make sure you are creating shorts with a purpose. Don't just create shorts for the sake of creating shorts, right? You can't go to all that stress of making your video just 1 minute long and still end up not making money from it. So once you get monetized, only use shorts to get and drive traffic to your long form videos. If you're creating shorts, you should be driving traffic to your long form videos. Shorts are not going to make you money. That is the sad truth. YouTube will not tell you this, but you need to know that you can make a short that has millions of views and you barely $10 from that short video with millions of views will make you thousands of dollars. That's the truth. So once you're monetized, once you have gotten that badge and now a YouTube partner, focus your energy on creating long form videos. Let me recap in case you didn't get me. Shorts are great for getting attention, going viral, getting a few subscribers, amazing. So as a starter, you're just growing your YouTube channel. You can take advantage of viral videos online, cut them up to 1 minute, and post them as shorts and use it to get to the monetization criteria, the number of watch hours that you need. And once you get monetized, shift your attention now to creating long form quality videos, good thumbnails, good titles, good tags, good descriptions, and all of that. Now, if you must still continue creating shorts, make sure you're using those shorts to drive traffic to your long form videos because that is where the money is. I don't know if you get me. And that's exactly what I just said in this video. Don't make the same mistake that I made. Make sure that you're here to make the money and you collect your money. Let nothing hold you back. So thank you for watching. If you learned anything from this video, make sure to leave a comment. In fact, let's do it again. Short or long form video? Which one are you team? Are you team short or are you team long videos? Let's know who will win in the comment section. So comment team short if you're team short, comment team long videos if you're team long videos. Let's see the winner. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content like this and watch my previous videos. You will learn so much on sales, marketing, and finance from them. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.